Luella Ellis. So today's video I am going to be making slime with you guys and my brother Ethan Ellis. So yesterday I went to the shops with my mom and I saw this really cool slime kit, and then these are the ingredients. So this is the glue. So you know all slime needs glue, right? So this is white glue, as you can see. And then this is powder, in case if you want to make your slime nice and soft and smooth. And then this is number 3. This is activator. If you can see clearly, but it's activator. And this is number 4. This is the clay. If you want to make your slime soft and creamy and nice and feel soft and stretch long. And then after all, you do need a wooden spoon or a spoon. And then if you want glitter, I have blue glitter here with a little toy in it, so you can play with it inside the slime. And I've got blue glitter. If you have glitter at home, you may put it in your slime as well. So now we told you all of the ingredients. Now we're going to move on to making the slime. So now we're going to take the glue, we're going to open it, and then we're going to pour it into the bowl. Pour all of it into the bowl. Till it's all done. Slowly. And then I think it's done now. So now we're going to close the lid. And then now we're going to move on to number 2. So now we're going to open the powder. So now you may pour it in. So we must pour it all over smallly. This all over. All over. So you must make sure that we must do it all over so we can mix thoroughly, and we must all try to make sure that it's all in properly.
Because if you don't make it very nice, then it won't stretch nicely.
And it won't be proper slime, and then it'll just be like dough or something. So, I think that's all of it. And there we go. Now we leave it there. Ethan, now we're going to add some activator. Now we have to add a few drops of activator. And then, so I'm going to add the activator. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you must do about 10 drops of this kind of activator. Because if you don't do 10 drops, then it won't really mix well. So now we're going to mix it until it's not really sticky anymore. You must add about 2 more activators. 1, 2. Now it's going to become not sticky anymore. So if you try. So if you can see, it's like becoming not like it's becoming like slime.
Yeah.
So when you make slime, you must try get all of the bits together, because if you don't, then it won't really form. So let's quickly add a tiny bit more. So I'm saying, like, whenever it doesn't really form that well, like I'm saying, if it looks like a tiny bit like food, then then just put a little bit more activator, and then it will turn into real slime. So now we must try and mix well. Try and mix quickly so it doesn't really so it goes well. There we go. Sometimes you must do it a tiny bit. So I think that's a tiny bit. There we go. Now we're going to move on to adding the clay. So if you can see, this is a tiny bit lighter So it's clay, but if you can see, it looks like milk and it looks like cheese. But now we're going to open the clay. I'm going to try to take off the thingy up, and then we're going to add it. So we're going to take that off there. We're going to try.
Very sticky.
Yeah, so we're going to try take that off. I'm going to try. If you can see at the time, it's sticky, if you can see. I'm actually going to use my hands instead because it's actually going to be easier. If you can see, it actually looks like real clay, but it actually is.
It
So
looks
we're going
like
to add
slime.
this.
It still looks like slime.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that's going to be enough. And then we're going to put the lid back on. And then now we are going to add, I'm going to stir it. Stir.
Must always hold so it doesn't drop.
Yeah. So if you can see, it actually is kind of turning into slime.
Yes.
And then now we're going to add some. Okay, so now we're just going to keep it stirring. Let's try. So if you can see, it's actually white. It's getting a tiny bit slimy.
And you must always get the bumps. Must always get the bumps.
You must try always get the bumps. So now, if you can see, it actually is turning into slime. So if you can see, just have to try to get all of them. So if you can see the so if you see like slime, if there's bumps, then just try to get all of the bumps. Just try squeeze the bumps like on the side of the bowl, and then it'll become nice, and then it'll become like slime. So if you can see, it's actually changing into slime. It's becoming even more. Just try, so there's a big bump here. So if you have the kind of slime that I do, then you may also get the slime. So I got the slime from the little mouse shop at Rhineridge Mall. So it's almost there. I just have to get this big bump. You can see it actually is turning into slime. Bump there. So you must try to get all of the bumps in your slime, because if you don't get all of the bumps, then it won't turn into slime. It won't form properly.
And you must cut the bits. Just cut the.
There we go. Now it's turning into slime. Just have to try keep on mixing on the edges, so then it will like be not sticky anymore. Okay, now we're going to put it on this. We're going to put in the nice and pretty glitter. So you can open it, Ethan. I'll just try to open it for you. There we go. Now you may pour it in. Put it all over. Oh yeah, and guess it, that bit is like kind of a naughty kind of color, and like, so now we're gonna mix it. So I'm saying like if you have like a tiny bit of this, then I'm saying the glitter will make I'm saying then it will turn into slime. Just wait. Get all of the bumps again. So now we're going to try get all of the bumps with our hands. Yeah, so if you can see, it actually is turning into slime. But we just have to try and mix it until it's all. Just have to try and get it. So it's all. So you can see it actually is. So
there's a big bump over there. I can see it's very turned into slime.
yeah. So I'm just trying to get all of the bumps. So now we're going to just keep on mixing. So let's all just try to keep it. Just going to try get it off. It's very messy. Sometimes it can get very messy. So this is slime, but it's very sticky slime, as you can see. Yeah. So I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.